Hey guys, so today I want to share a quick upgrade I did to my PC. I replaced the thermal paste on my CPU and the results actually surprised me. Everything seemed fine at first. The PC ran normally, no crashes or anything, but during a 10-minute Cinebench R23 stress test, the CPU temps were hitting just over 70 degrees Celsius. Not crazy high, but it got me thinking. I opened up HW Monitor and noticed that the CPU was slightly throttling during the test. Nothing major, but it means the CPU was pulling back its clock speeds just a bit to avoid getting too hot, and that can affect performance. The benchmark score backed it up. I got 11,914 points in Cinebench R23. Not bad, but I figured maybe old thermal paste was the reason for the heat buildup and throttle. So I popped off the cooler, cleaned up the old paste, which looked pretty dry and crusty by the way, and got it ready for a fresh application. I used Corsair TM30, nothing exotic, just a decent thermal paste. Applied a small amount right in the center, reattached the cooler and powered the system back on. Ran Cinebench again, this time with screen recording on, and got a score of 13,387, already a good bump compared to before. Then I tried it with no recording running and boom, 14,472 points. That's more than a 2,500 point improvement over the original score. Temps didn't really drop, but this time I didn't see any throttling. The CPU was holding its boost clocks consistently during the whole test, and that's where the performance gain came from. So yeah, moral of the story, if your CPU's been running for a while on the same thermal paste, it might be time for a refresh. It's cheap, it's easy, and in my case, totally worth it. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, drop a like and consider subscribing for more PC stuff.